So I'm just gonna record here a little test ride video for you. I'm here driving the 2013 Toyota Tacoma. So first of all, I'm just gonna crank the wheel all the way to the left so we can hear if there's anything weird. Sorry for that. As you can see, no weird sounds or anything. And I'm just gonna do the same thing now, but for the other side. Gonna have to turn over here. It's a little cramped up here in my lot, but here we go. Cranked it up all the way to the right. No weird sound, nothing weird. As you can see, no weird sounds. I just went to a little pothole right there and I didn't emit like no sound, didn't feel anything. I'm gonna go here in reverse. I'm just doing some really good maneuvering here in the lot, but as you can see, like no weird sounds or anything. There you go. I went to a little pothole again. As you heard, nothing wrong. I'm gonna go again. Go. And so now I'm just gonna open the hood for you. I'm gonna show you how the engine's sounding. And I'm just recording with one hand, so I apologize if my video is not the best quality. Go. And this is the engine. I'm gonna get a little closer up here so you can hear. Sounds perfectly fine, sounds great. That's how it's looking. So yeah, if I miss anything, if you wanna know something else, let me know. Let me just turn off the air conditioner as well and just rev it a little bit for you. Yeah, sounds healthy. Sounds like a perfectly well taken care engine. So yeah, perfectly. Let me know what you think.